All right, I'm going to do my best attempt at making some trap music with the Roland jdxi. Here we go. I believe the first step I shall make is choosing a drum kit, and that drum kit I will use is none other than, can you guess it, the Roland TR-808. Oh yeah, that's snare. All right, so let's put the snare on these beats here. That's way too fast for trap. I'm going to turn it down to 87. Kick the volume up all the way on it. I'm going to lay down some hi-hats. And then I'm going to do some quieter hi-hats in the offbeats. So I'm just going to slightly touch the keyboard and then fill them in. This isn't too bad, but what really makes it are the very quick notes in between that. So how do we get to that? How can I put notes in between these notes that are already here? We're going to dive into the menu here. We're going to go to menu, and we're going to find, what's it called? Scale settings. All right, push enter. Yeah, this is the secret sauce right here. We have 1/16. We're going to switch it over to 1/32. And now you can see here, all those in-between notes have popped up. And this is just the first half of that idea. The second half, you have to push shift, and you'll see is over here. You have to select it. So we're in the first half of the beat. So I'm going to add in some in-between notes in the very beginning of it. You can hear it now. Ooh. So now I'm just going to sprinkle this with some cicada type love. So yeah, this is the beginnings of something nice. So now I'm going to do, let's get out of the menu here. I'm going to do exit out of here. And I'm going to use the analog synth to find a bass that we can use as the 808. Okay, yeah, so for some reason, that's the fun thing about the jdxi. You'll throw things in there, and it totally just cut that note, but that's fine. It's like a open hi-hat thing that it just chopped for itself. I don't know why, but I like it. All right, and then let's go into voice 1 and look for a bell type sound. Oh, here we go. I'm already on one. So I'm going to turn the tempo down. Alright, so yeah, I'll do a little playthrough now. So if we were to kind of do this as a song, I would have like a little intro, and then have the bell melody come in, have the hi-hat and maybe just the hi-hat come in. So I'll go to that drum section here and mute this by turning down the volume. So yeah, we'll start off we'll do these strings first, and we'll have the low pass filter all the way down. Yeah. So that is a trap idea with the jdxi. Something new. I haven't uploaded any jdxi videos to the channel in a while, so thought I'd do this. I had some time off and wanted to share this little tidbit with you on how to get some of those different sounds out of it. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want. Check out my music. I make music under the name GHOSTsTALKER. Usually it's all written in the jdxi, and then I produce it with FL Studio or mix in jdxi with guitar and all that. But yeah, all that will be popping up on the screen now. Check it out. I'm Joey. It's been great having you. Thanks for watching the video, and stay tuned for more, hopefully.